Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you don't remember, 2 weeks ago I bought a beat up Losi 5IVE-T off Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't done so already, I'll leave the link right here. Check it out, worth a watch. I made a great new friend and I showed you how to negotiate and also how to also talk down the price and meet a new friend. I met a new friend named Jono. So look, as you can see, this Losi 5IVE-T needed some love. It's actually had a lot of love and it's had a great life, and it's done what it was built for, and it's built for just bashing around. Now it needs some new parts, new bolts, and God knows what, and I am the sucker who's going to revamp it. So look, I hope you liked the video. It is worth the watch till the end so you can see the final result. And look, I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and I'll see you at the end of the clip. Okay, so we're gonna start on this baby here. Okay, so here she is. Drum roll. So yeah, look, updated absolutely everything. As you can tell, I updated the body, fixed it, got a second-hand one as well. I had it off my old Losi 5IVE-T and kept that immaculate, so I've whacked the body onto here. Before I reveal the internals, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button because it really does help me out. Have you done so? All right, cool. So this is what the body looked like before. And this is what the body looked like after. And now, the internals. Make sure you hit that like button. Now the internals are something special. This is probably one of the best work so far. As you can tell, it's night and day difference. This is what the internals look like prior. And this is what the internals look like now. Look, I updated the servo to a 78 kilogram servo, a bit of overkill, but who cares? Updated the shocks, nuts and bolts and everything like that. I changed, and pretty much I changed everything really. Changed the, I don't know, sorry about my language there. Now, as you can see, the big phallic thing here is not a crazy stew, but I manufactured this and designed this myself. Watch out for a future clip. I'll show you how I've done that and how you can do it at home. Painted the chassis, painted the tank. Yeah, look, it's a night and day difference. Please, if you like what I've done, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff. And yeah, I'll leave you with some B-roll, but I'll see you, big beautiful bastards, next week.